Hey guys, my name is Mr. Terrell, and I am the Ag Agent in Pike County. And we're glad that you joined us for another Life Skills virtual day camp. Today we've got Miss Gracie. Tell us a little bit about yourself, please.
My name is Gracie Davis, and I'm a member of the Cattle River Gyms 4-H Club. And my project area is fashion and fabric.
They recently changed the name.
It's
Sorry.
confusing.
So today Gracie's going to help us out with a little bit of our laundry. Laundry is a great life skill that you need to know. So first, let's talk about maybe washing clothes. So can you tell us about how to sort laundry to get it ready to wash?
Yes. You're gonna split them into three groups: your lights, your darks, and your colors.
Okay. So what do you mean by lights?
By lights, I mean your bedding,
Okay.
and you can do your towels.
Got those?
And then also you can do your white clothing.
Okay. Here's a white undershirt. That'll work. All right. What's your next category?
Your next category is going to be colors.
Okay. So let's talk about colors a little bit.
So whenever you're doing your colors, what you're gonna have in there is your color. So you're gonna have like a green, maybe some red, yellow, all kinds of different colors. And then you want to do your I'll go ahead and you want to go ahead and do your jeans separately. I would just recommend that. And then next we have our.
Well, let's talk about these for just a second.
Okay.
So one thing is just to pin it upon the color. So for example, red is one that is really bad to, especially the first time that you wash it, to kind of bleach out a little bit. So you want to, if you've got a color that you know is going to fade pretty bad, new jeans are the same way. You might want to wash those on cold the first time. You might want to do that by themselves. After that, they're probably color fast and it's not as big of a deal. But like around our house, we like to put all of our reds together, right? So you put your reds and your maroons and pinks and shades of red together. It's kind of something that we do. For example, yellow and green. We've got more green than probably most families because of 4-H. But a lot of people don't have a lot of green and yellows and that type of thing. So it's okay to put those together. The reason that we put denim together isn't necessarily because of the color, but because that's typically a little bit tougher of a material. And so you want to kind of put that together, and you might put that on a cycle that's a little more heavy duty than you might in some other things, right? Okay, what's our last category?
Lights. So with your lights, you're gonna have light colored.
Yeah, some pastels.
Pastels, maybe.
Maybe a gray.
Maybe a gray, something like that.
Khakis are also included in the lights. So these are the clothes that aren't white, okay? But these are the clothes that are light colored that probably shouldn't go with the darker colors.
Our first stain is a grape stain. Mix liquid detergent and hydrogen peroxide. Blot. Do not rub until the stain is gone. Our next one is coffee. So for this one, you're going to want to spot treat with white vinegar and then wash it. Now we are going to do our lipstick, which is right there. Okay. So how you're going to get this stain out is you're going to blot with isopropyl and alcohol, and then you're going to wash it. Now we're going to do our foundation. How to treat or get rid of the stain. For this one, you are going to pre-treat the spot with dish soap, and then you're going to wash it in hot water. Now we're going to do our blood stain. So how you are going to get rid of this one is you are going to soak in cold water, and then you're going to spot treat it with hydrogen peroxide and then wash it in cold water. Now we are going to do our grass and candle wax. So for your grass, you're going to want to rub with liquid detergent and soak in cold water, and then you are going to want to wash it.
Okay, and the wax?
And then for your wax, you're going to want to freeze your fabric and then pull it off, and then if it's not gone, cover it with cheesecloth and iron.
Thanks, guys, for joining us today. We hope that you learn how to either sort your laundry or take a few things out. We're sure glad that you were able to join us and hope to see you next time.
So you get your stopper and put it in. Make sure it's in tight. And you turn it to hot and just let it run. You probably need to have about maybe like a half of water. So you probably need to have like a half, not even that, of water. You can use anything to wash with. Wash rag, sponge, anything. And you just get your Dawn. Touch your shoes. And put a little bit. And get your pans. And wash them. You need to wash your pans and stuff off with water so there's no soap when you eat. It is recommended to let your dishes air dry. You can put them in a dish drainer or just lay a towel out and put your dishes on it.